How to install Caltrans Quickmap app or just Quickmap app. So yeah, just use it. It's a pretty cool app for California, so you can get your California traffic information directly from the source. It just quickly displays all the map of your location along with real-time traffic information, including freeway speed, traffic camera snapshots, lane closures, snowplows, country boundaries, border wait times, all of these things which you can just easily see like that. And seems it's just more advanced than Google Maps, and it has some additional features for California which are just not available in Google Maps. And then yeah, you can just go here, but again, it's only for California. And then you can just browse around. You can see all of the details, and yeah, it's basically like it's like Google Maps, but then with all these additional details, some help, some travel alerts, some settings. And then you also have options. You can just enable all of these additional filters, message signs, cameras. So yeah, and then you'll just have all of this enabled, and then you can see all of this advanced info, just how it looks like. And then you can see all the cameras, for example, and all of the additional signs, all of the details, some additional signs. And yeah, so that's basically what it is. Give it a try.